Okay, programming a sender, transmitter. Just plug the thing in. Okay, then you can go through the menus. I think general, enter, no, select. General input polarity, select. Everything must be positive. If you press 1, it will go negative. Press it again, it's positive. And you just say enter when you're done. Okay, and then just a self-test. Select. It must be, if it's 0 to 4, it's once a day. If it's 0, what's it, 1, 2, 12, every 12 hours. It will do it twice a day. If you open an alarm, it will send the test signal then 12 hours after the opening. So you might go an entire day without getting a test signal because there was another signal. If nothing happened over the weekend, then it will send it every 12 hours then. But you can set it again to 24 hours. Let's say select 0 to 4, then it's once a day. Okay, that's it. And then just pull it out. Okay.